Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Hari and I will bring out the news for all of you. As of yesterday, 6,984 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 87,562. As of yesterday, 134.61 crore vaccination was given. In Mumbai yesterday, 238 new corona cases reported. So far, 65.88 crore tests were carried out. Active cases is 0.25%, lowest since March 2020. Recovery rate is 98.38%, highest since March 2020. Farm leader Rakesh Tikait said he will not contest any elections. UK recorded its highest ever daily cases so far and recorded 78,610 fresh cases yesterday. India has recorded total 68 cases of Omicron variant. Out of this, maximum are in Maharashtra 32 cases, followed by Rajasthan 17 cases, Karnataka 3 cases, Gujarat 4 cases, Kerala 1 case, Telangana 2 cases, West Bengal 1 case, Andhra Pradesh 1, 6 in Delhi and 1 in Chandigarh. The emergence of the new strain has caused concern across the world, with the market showing signs of recovery 2 years into the pandemic. There is apprehension of a setback as most nations has declared fresh set of travel restrictions. The Omicron wave could have been prevented. The World Health Organization top scientist Soumya Swaminathan told that as new variant set to become dominant strain across the world. It was in the world's hand to prevent this if we had used the tools that we have equitably around the world. We had enough vaccination to vaccine people across the world. Perhaps we could have reduced the chances of this happening. What went wrong can be described in many ways, including the vaccination nationalism. She thinks every country leaders wanted to protect their own people, but in a pandemic, you also have to keep in mind that if you do not protect people around the world, the virus is going to change and come back in different variant. Omicron was detected in Africa, a continental where multiple pockets are yet to receive even single dose of vaccine. Within a month, it has spread to Asian countries, Europe, America, and all other countries. Lone Indian Air Force chopper survivor is dead. Amid the pandemic, the UNESCO on Wednesday gave all Bengalis a reason to rejoice after it accorded heritage status to the Durga Puja festival. Nearly 27.65% present was found in a school from classes 1 to 7 in Mumbai, which opened the school yesterday after 21 months of closure. After flat opening, the benchmark indices traded at a lower levels for the third consecutive day, and BSE Sensex closed 329 points below the previous day closed and closed at 57,788 points. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.